Hello, everyone. An interesting topic for today: how to get commercial restoration jobs. So let's get straight into it. We're going to go over B2B marketing for water damage, how to get more commercial water damage restoration, commercial fire damage restoration, commercial mold removal jobs. You're going to learn how to do that in this video. So let's go straight into it. Understanding B2B marketing. We recommend you focus on building your marketing system on Google with SEO and PPC. SEO for long-term results, PPC for quick leads. Facebook ads could also perhaps work when your services are more likely to be in demand by an average Facebook user in a particular geographical area after a natural disaster, for example. After that happens in a particular area, you can target just that geographical area inside of Facebook and narrow it down even further to business owners. So watch our social media marketing video to figure that out. However, in B2B marketing, you need to put a lot of emphasis on professionalism and building trust, of course, as you should in general. But to get a good ROI with B2B, you need to make your campaigns highly targeted, starting with the ad and ending with a landing page you're sending traffic to. The message should be just for business owners, commercial restoration. So it starts with the landing page you will send traffic to. So the page you have for commercial services will not only serve as a presentation of what your business does, but also as a landing page you can send traffic to both through SEO and PPC. For SEO, that page will ideally rank in your area when somebody Googles commercial restoration, commercial water damage restoration, and stuff like that. But for PPC, you can send traffic that you will try to convert into commercial jobs straight to that page. It's better than just sending them to the homepage. So you may also want to consider writing blog posts on your website targeting commercial restoration questions people Google and having a problem in their business. Go and perform a Google search for a term like water damage commercial property. You will see a ton of results from restoration and insurance businesses. Teaching the causes of the damage, how to fix it. Now, there are more questions people ask. So let's go over this snippet that I've grabbed from Google. So you'll see a lot of questions people Google. This is just something that popped up when I've Googled water damage commercial property. So there are more. So to expand on a point I made in the previous slide, there are a ton of questions people search when struggling with water damage in commercial property. If you don't know which those are, Google will give you to them. So when you Google, for example, the keyword that I mentioned before, water damage commercial property, this is what you will see. You will also have people ask section, and the more questions you click on, the more questions Google will give you. An endless supply of questions people have, people search online, and Google giving them to you. So it's about insurance. There are some deductible questions I found. A ton of other things. So, answer these on your website. Ideally, you have a short answer for each of these on your commercial services page in a form of an FAQ. So those are for people who are unsure what to do, and giving them a short answer in form of an FAQ. This is what good landing pages usually have. And if anybody wants to learn more, you'll have a blog post for each of these questions on your website. So, and those blog posts may even rank in the future. So, okay, I'm sorry, I blocked this. These are important as the more helpful your content is to attract an audience, the more likely they are to call you, of course. Now, let's go over to another critical aspect: reviews. Nothing sells better than a previous successful job, a previous successful restoration commercial job. Display ratings from wherever you have them: Angie's, Home Advisor, Yelp, Google's business profile, even others, Facebook, for example. If you worked on a commercial job before, ask the client to provide you with a testimonial, ideally in a video format, and display that right at the top of your landing page that you have for commercial services. Having testimonials from other business owners helps build trust even further. So make sure to do that. Google Ads. Now that we've done all of our previous homework, it's time to get the ads up and running. There are several ways you can target business owners through Google Ads. Try the following methods. Add a schedule to weekdays, 9 to 5. Device targeting. Most business owners use desktop devices while working in their offices. Adding keyword modifiers. For example, water damage repair for commercial properties. Put qualifiers in your ad headlines and descriptions. You can also, for keyword modifiers, you could perhaps add commercial water damage repair or something like that. Audience targeting, you could get narrowed down the type of audience you want to target on Google. You can perhaps target people who have bought business services in the past with Google Ads. There are also various other types of audience you can target. So it's important to test different ones out. So don't just limit yourself to one and then just do that one. Test different ones out. So yeah, you can do the same with the other types of ads you run. So it's not just limited to business owners. If you the same, you would do the same if you wanted to do just one specific area. You just target people, perhaps homeowners in that geographical area, if you just wanted to sell residential restoration services. So pretty similar. So send this traffic to the dedicated landing page you've built for commercial services, because the more relevant a landing page is, the higher your quality score on Google Ads. Watch our video on Google Ads to learn that. Higher your quality score on Google Ads, and the lower your cost per click will be, ideally, so ads will be more profitable. So, and you're more likely to convert too. Let's go to the next section that's highly relevant to the previous one: conversion rate optimization. In general, it's important, but in B2B, it's a must. You need to have a top-notch website. Design has to be great. Load time has to be small, and navigation has to be seamless. Display reviews and testimonials. Perhaps even add a live chat, like we mentioned in the previous video. Use a tool like Podium or HubSpot. So put your emphasis on conversion rate optimization and watch our video on conversion rate optimization. We also have on this channel, and email marketing is going to be the last thing that I go over. It's no secret that business owners spend a lot of time checking and answering emails. Leverage that by coming up with an email marketing strategy. Watch our video on email marketing too. So yeah, we have pretty much a video for most of these topics that I've covered in today's, just a dedicated video for each of these. Your first job will be getting people to subscribe to your email list. The best way to do this is either through educational content. So if you have a landing page, actually a blog post that talks about, who is responsible for water damage, landlord responsibility, whatever, you can get people to opt in while they're reading that blog post. That's what a lot of blogs do. An incentive like a free inspection or a discount is what you can do. Make sure to segment your subscribers into different lists in order to make your email marketing as personalized as possible. So have an email marketing campaign just for commercial customers, just for commercial leads. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. These were some ideas. Some are more, some you can implement right away. Some will take some time. So yeah, hopefully they will all help you go out there and generate more leads for a company. If you have any additional questions or would like a free consultation, you would like me to take a look at your website, say, hey man, what should I fix here? Just go just go to the description of this video. Go to repairsprout.com. You'll find a link there and schedule a call. Also join our Facebook group. And that's all it is for today. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.